Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for July 31st, 2016. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. We had a bit more of a mixed picture on Friday. The Dow was actually down 24 points, while the S&P 500 was up 3.5, and the NASDAQ was up 7 points. So, question really is, when you look at these index charts, does this look like an aging bull, or are we just getting started here? Looking at the daily charts, it's looking a little tired. We're starting to pull back a little, although we recently made new highs. But if we look at the weekly charts, it is looking more and more bullish. I mean, if you look at the Dow here, it looks like we might have started a bit of a pullback here. If we look at the S&P, not so much. It looks like we're still going strong here. We just put in a new high this week. Looking at the NASDAQ, look at that. Just an incredible run. I mean, we are very, very close to new highs. And the Russell, it looks like it's just on its way now, heading towards these highs. So certainly looks like there is more room for upside in equities. Now, let's continue on here and let's look at TLT. Also looks very strong on the weekly. There's a couple other charts that look very strong on the weekly as well. One of them is gold. Look at that nice bullish engulfing pattern there. Nice strong momentum. Another one looking very similar is FXY, the Japanese yen. Just a strong bounce this week. Very strong momentum higher. Both of those markets look very, very strong right now. Crude, on the other hand, not looking strong at all. And as we've been talking about all week, this is a falling knife situation. Where it will land and bounce is anyone's guess. But right now, it is in a lot of trouble here. And I think even when we do get a bounce, I think it'll be temporary before a rollover and a continuation of lower prices. Now, on tap for news this week, Monday, very, very little for news, but Tuesday we have new home sales. Wednesday, MBA application numbers, existing home sales, and Thursday we have durable goods and jobless claims. Friday's a big day as well with GDP, corporate profits, consumer sentiment, and Janet Yellen speaks as well. And before I let you go, a quick reminder, for those of you who did join us last Wednesday for our Veracity class, the Pro Training starts this coming Wednesday. Our class will be at 7 p.m. Eastern. For those of you who did not attend and wanted to see the replay, just go to tradingwinds.com/win and you can access the recording immediately. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.